In Blogistic theme, you can add YouTube videos and create a playlist. To do so, go to Video Playlist. Show Video Playlist. Enter your YouTube API key. You can refer to the blog by HubSpot on how to generate a YouTube API key. And there are two video playlist layouts available to you. It's easy to add video. Simply add the URL of the YouTube video. You can also hide or remove the videos that you don't want. You can rearrange the positions after adding the videos. Select display position. There is also a feature to choose play and pause icons. Determine icon size. In Design tab, for active title, choose LoRa font family, medium font weight. Lettercase. For title, same LoRa font. Open sans font family for video time. Additionally, you can also select active title color, initial and hover title colors, video time color, active background color, content background color, and play pause icon colors for both initial and hover states. You can determine border radius and box shadow. I will soon be back with a new video. Till then, take care.